Hello, up for auction is a 1921p Peace Dollar Strong Strike. You do not get a Strong Strike in the Peace Dollar. This is an ultra rarity. Take a look at the hair over the ear. Take a look at the Strong Strike on this coin. Look at the luster. This is a beautiful gem, uncirculated, Strong Strike Peace Dollar, 1921. The coin was a high relief coin. It was designed this way. Look at the reverse. Look how the bird is leaping off the coin. It was designed as a high relief coin. The mint switched to a low relief after the test run in 21 because they couldn't get a decent strike. They couldn't get it struck like the coin you're looking at here consistently. Very, very few were struck like this. You've got a fully struck 1921p Peace Dollar, an ultra rarity. Take a look at that for a minute. Look at the cheek. Look at this amazing coin. Thanks for looking. Thanks for listening, and as always on this type of coin, you will thank yourself for bidding on it.